we believe very strongly at ideaForge that persistent monitoring, ensuring that we create deterrence through observation and continuous observation, we can prevent such incidents from potentially happening at origin.
See, typically most armed forces particularly would deploy drones when they get specific intelligence, or deploy it during or post an incident has happened. That is a bit sporadic. That does not lend itself to persistently operating in a certain area to create deterrence. Whereas when you look at the need would be to persistently operate in an area so that people cannot think of using such activities or means to target our civilians or even our armed forces. See, in terms of availability of technology in this class of systems that is required to do persistent monitoring over a long stretch of road or over a large area, I think that technology is fully being developed in country. It is also, some elements of it are already deployed with the forces. They can be operationalized, more assets can be delivered aggressively to make sure that going forward we are deployed in a manner that can prevent such incidents. I think the most critical element in terms of making technology scalable is building in a lot of autonomy. If we build in a lot of autonomy, if we make sure that the user can operate it, or a less experienced user can operate it, a less trained user can operate it, then it becomes more scalable, because in a dynamic environment where manpower, roles and responsibilities can keep changing, a more autonomous technology can become more deployable. As far as persistence is concerned, it is also coupled with the revisit time or the revisit of any area that we want to monitor, to make sure that the gap between the first observation point and the second observation point is as small as possible to prevent any incursion in between. So from the standpoint of deploying the technology, I think once we start doing the math and we start sizing the right asset, the numbers are not outrageously large. Being able to do persistent monitoring is something that can be achieved with the technology that we have today, and it is not going to be an extremely large number that is not affordable as required. And also, are the operators available? We do have the volume of operators who can deploy the technology at scale.